Hey guys, what's up? And today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day eye look. I'm so excited to do this. Today is Valentine's Day, so for any of you last minute people like me, this look is going to be perfect for you. So if you like it, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up, and if you aren't already, subscribe down below. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is priming our eyes with the Urban Decay eye primer potion, and we're just going to put it on our lid and blend with our finger. Do the same thing the other side. So now I'm going to be taking the white peach palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Peach Cream, and I'm just going to set my lid. The Morphe 3502 palette, and we're gonna take this really bright red shade right here, and we're going to apply this into our crease. So you're gonna want to layer it up, and we're gonna clean it up later, so you can't really go wrong. Well, you can, but like all mistakes are fixable, so don't worry. And it's just gonna look like this when you're done. Apply it right into the crease, and it's just gonna look like this when done. Okay, so my video footage my camera just stopped filming, so I'm gonna explain what I just did because it's already on my eyes now. So I took the I Believe in Pink palette by Too Faced, and I swatched it with my finger like a lot because holy pigment, and I applied it right onto my lids like that. And now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. So we're taking the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're going to take this darky ash color again, and we're going to apply it right here and here. And then we're going to take the red, apply it right there, and then there's this white like shimmery shade, and we're going to apply that to our inner corner. So now for eyeliner, I'm just going to do my waterline again. So we're using the Tarteist Tarte pencil, and we're just going to use the pencil side. Okay, so now my waterline is done, so now we move on to mascara. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. So I do about 5 times. 4, 5. And now mascara. We're just applying it to the back of our lash line first, and then we're going to do the front and give them extra curliness. This side. I'm done, so here's the final look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give this a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye guys!